Welcome to the Research Data Management video series. This video series is designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to research data management, covering everything from planning and organizing your data to sharing it ethically and effectively. Whether you're a student, early career researcher, or data steward, this series walks you through the core components of good data practice across disciplines. Here's the recommended order to follow for a smooth learning experience. This video introduces what research data management is and why it matters, and learn the structure of a data management plan. Now that you know the importance of managing data well, learn how to structure your files and folders, use consistent file names, and prepare your data for future use. The third video in this series explains what metadata is, how to write effective documentation, README files, data dictionaries, and how these help others understand and reuse your data. Data Repositories video guides you through selecting a suitable data repository for your field, understanding repository requirements, and preparing your dataset for upload. Learn about open data licenses, how to protect sensitive data, and what to consider when publishing your data. Explore how research data management practices vary across fields in the given video. The case study in the last video shows how proper data management transforms raw climate data into reliable, reusable knowledge.